CHLB high-precision rounded corner reciprocating liquid packaging machine brings more efficient and stable packaging solutions for food, pharmaceutical, chemical, and cosmetic industries. Whether it is edible oil, soy sauce, honey, dairy products in the food industry, cosmetics, shampoo, skincare products in the daily chemical industry, or even liquid and paste packaging in the pharmaceutical and chemical industry, our round corner reciprocating liquid packaging machine can easily meet your needs, ensuring that each bag of product is accurately encapsulated, safe, and hygienic. This packaging machine adopts intelligent operating system equipped with 7-inch HD touchscreen, friendly interface, and convenient control. All parameters can be adjusted by one-key real-time monitoring of production status so that the packaging is more accurate and efficient. The addition of PLC control system makes the whole packaging process more stable. Whether it is bag making, measuring, filling, sealing, cutting, each step is strictly controlled to ensure the consistency and accuracy of packaging. The whole machine is highly automated, covering all processes from bag making, measuring, filling, sealing, cutting, counting, etc. Meanwhile, it supports additional functions such as batch number printing, which truly realizes multi-purpose and meets different production needs. We insist on high-quality manufacturing. All mechanical parts are made of durable materials, with internationally recognized brands of electrical and pneumatic components, to ensure that the equipment is still stable and reliable under high-intensity operation. Moreover, the optimized design of the equipment structure significantly reduces the wear and tear, reduces the maintenance cost, and prolongs the service life. Whether it is a long-time continuous production or high-frequency replacement of different materials, this equipment can maintain excellent stability and durability. Our round corner reciprocating liquid packaging machine has been put into use in many countries around the world, helping many food, daily chemical, and pharmaceutical companies to improve their production efficiency. Welcome to contact us for customized solutions to achieve intelligent, efficient, and precise packaging.